5 best weight loss friendly foods you should eat. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very popular in the natural health community for weight loss. You can add apple cider vinegar to your vegetable salad, which will help you to curb your appetite, which will help you in losing weight. 2. Avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats. They also contain many important nutrients, including fiber and potassium. Include some avocados in your diet to lose weight. 3. Chili pepper. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a substance which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning in some studies. One study showed that eating 1 gram of red chili pepper reduced appetite and increased fat burning in people who didn't regularly eat peppers. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are incredibly nutritious and are very high in many vitamins, antioxidants and minerals, including calcium, which has been shown to aid fat burning in some studies. Therefore, leafy greens are an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. 5. Grapefruit. Various studies indicate that grapefruit may suppress appetite and reduce calorie intake when eaten before meals. Why not give it a try if you are trying to lose weight? So these are the 5 best weight loss friendly foods you should eat.